How to manage who can send you a request on Facebook. Do you have a problem that you get a large number of requests and it annoys you? If the answer is yes, stay until the end of the video and find out how you can solve it. Okay, to solve this, we will open Facebook on our phone. When Facebook has opened, tap on the option located on the far right in the bottom menu. Here you will see various options. However, if you scroll through this page, you will find the Settings and Privacy section. When you open this section, find the Settings option and tap on it. On the page that opens, you can find all the options that can be made. Go through the list until you find the Audience and Visibility section. In this section, find the How People Find and Contact You option and tap on it. On this page, we need the first option, Who Can Send You Friend Requests. If we tap on this option, we will see that we can choose whether anyone can send us the request or only friends of our friends. If you have a problem with receiving requests from unknown people, we recommend that only your friends' contacts can send you a request. And that is all. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more similar tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.